over 10,000 movies, TV shows, live TV channels in this streaming application, which you can use on your Firestick, Fire TV and Android TV devices. Now, this application is absolutely free. It doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. The application doesn't require any kind of VPN. With this latest update, which was updated a few days ago, they really have added in so much more great content that you can enjoy across all of your devices and really without seeing many adverts. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, if you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. Now, the application in question is called Movie Arc, and many thanks to Patrick, who's one of my Telegram members, my private chat group members, who told me about this application. And if any of you guys want to join that chat group where we discuss the latest applications, we share tips and tricks, and just a great community for cord cutters, do have a look in the video description and pinned comment on how you can do that. Now, as you can see here, this application is available directly on the Amazon App Store as well as the Google Play Store, and it says has more than 30,000 movies and TV shows absolutely free with no registration required and fewer or no ad breaks. You have entertainment, you have sci-fi, you have action, you have crime. All of your favorite categories are included. And if we just scroll down, we can see this was now updated on the 20th of September. So new update, new content, new features. Let's open up the app. So the application has a really nice clean layout. We have the main menu options across the top, starting with search. Then we have movies. We have a dedicated section for documentary. We have the live content with that fully working EPG, which is the electronic program guide. So using the CPG, you can see exactly what's on these channels, what's coming up next, and really just get more of that cable TV like experience. Then we have a dedicated section for TV series, short films, and a section for new. Now, the new section is here because they are constantly adding in new content, new episodes, new series, new movies into this application. So even if you did see this application before, it's always worthwhile coming back in, going to the new section and seeing what new content they've now added. Now, before I just start, if I go over to the left, we can then see the library. Let's click on that. We can see nothing found, but here, for example, you can add stuff into your favorites and you'll also get a watch history. Let's go back. Then you have settings. Let's click on that. If we just scroll down to where it says limit ad tracking, just ensure that the limit ad tracking is set to on. And this just means that you won't get any of those personalized adverts. It will just be more generic, limited ads. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's start at the top. So let's go to movies. We can see we have movies. We have new in June. We have new section for horror, survival, zombie stuff, Mission Impossible, Perfect Crime, Family Time, UFO, drama. You can see, guys, literally lots and lots of different genres, different categories. And it's not just what you see on the screen straight away. You can also scroll to the right. And you can see there's lots of content here. And for a quick test, if I just try the Hunted, let's click on that. Click on play. And literally now, in less than a few seconds, we are straight into that episode. And that's really the great thing about these official applications. Because they're official, they always have the bandwidth. You never get any kind of stuttering, no lag. And you really can go ahead and enjoy all of this great content. Let's go back. Let's go to documentary. So here we can see different documentaries, again, in different genres. You have food documentaries, culture, you have science, adventure, universe. Let's just try one from animals. Let's just try this Chilies to the rescue. Let's click on that. Click on play. Just to show you that it's not just one content, one episode, one movie, one show. Because this is an official licensed application, everything is working straight away and you really can go ahead and enjoy all of this content. Let's go back. So overall, guys, I really am impressed with this new update to Movie Arc. As you can see with the new version, they have added in more content, lots more movies, lots more live TV channels, all presented in a really nice interface. And the fact that it doesn't require any kind of registration, I'm not using any VPN. We didn't see many adverts. I do think this updated version is definitely worthwhile checking out. Now, to get this on your Amazon devices, you can press the home button. You can go to search, and here we can just type in Movie Arc. Now on the Android TV device, which I will show you in just a second, it is named slightly different, but it is the same application. So here we can see Movie Arc, click on that. That's the application there. Now if I jump over to my NVIDIA Shield Pro, let me show you exactly what this looks like on the Android TV platform. And let's just search for Movie Arc, and even on the Google Play Store we can see it says with no ads and no registration, no subscription required. So definitely worthwhile checking out. And also if you are looking for a very special offer just for the next 2 weeks, giving you 75% off, that means all of your devices can be protected with a VPN, get maximum privacy, ensure nobody can track what you're doing, ensure your ISP can't track you, advertisers can't monitor you. To get all of that with really fast speeds at just under $3 a month, I do think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.